Hey there, it's Mahesh. If you stumbled upon this video, chances are you're curious about Cash4Minutes and whether you can actually make money just by making phone calls. Well, we are diving into this intriguing website today to find out if it's a legit way to earn some cash or if it's just another online scam. So stick around because I've got the details for you. Well, before we dive into Cash4Minutes, a quick heads up. If you are interested in my top recommendation of making around $5,000 to $10,000 a month from the comfort of your home, then check out the link below. And there is also a bonus. For that reason, I request you to please stick to this video till the end so that I can give you that bonus right away. Now, let's get into it. Cash4Minutes is an interesting way to make money online where you get paid for making phone calls. It's a unique service that provides you with a list of numbers to call, and it's available globally. So regardless of where you are, they've got an extensive list of specific payouts for each country. Now, when you call these numbers, you'll be tuning into internet radio broadcast. Here's the deal. The payout varies, ranging from 4 cents per minute to about 10 cents per minute, depending on your location and the specific number you dial. While the concept seems straightforward, the earnings may not blow you away, especially considering you're just listening to internet radio broadcast. Now the big question is, how does Cash4Minutes make money? Well, they make money directly from your telecom provider. But here's the catch, they only pay you if they successfully receive funds from your phone company. It's a bit odd, right? The FAQ section on this site dives into this, but it raises some eyebrows. Let's talk numbers. If you are making 4 cents per minute and let's say you are running your phone for just an hour, you are looking at $2.40 per hour. Not exactly a get rich quick scheme, right? But hold on, it gets trickier enough. Cash4Minutes allows payouts through PayPal, bank transfer with fees, or even donating to your favorite charities. However, it's important to note that the calls you make may not be free. If the number you dial aren't included in your free minutes, you might end up paying your phone provider more than you're just earning. Now, here's the weird part. Cash4Minutes doesn't guarantee payments. Yes, you heard it right. So when you sign up, you agree to terms and conditions stating there is no guarantee of payment. They emphasize that they can only pay out funds successfully received from your phone company. So the big question remains, is it worth your time? Well, it's a bit tricky. The service may not be free and you may not be guaranteed payment. You'll need to check if the calls are covered in your free minutes, and that's not always straightforward. Now the bottom line is, Cash4Minutes can be risky if they don't get paid by suppliers due to fraud calls or other issues. You might not get paid. Please keep this in mind. So at last I say that it's a gambling. So to wrap up this video, while the idea of making money by simply making phone calls is intriguing, and the complexities and the uncertainties surrounding Cash4Minutes make it a less appealing option. There are likely better and more reliable ways to make money online without the headaches. If you are exploring ways to make money online, consider the risks and uncertainties involved with Cash4Minutes. So it might not be the most straightforward or reliable option out there. So before you dive in, make sure to thoroughly understand the terms and conditions. Your responsibility includes checking if the calls are inclusive in your plan, if you are being charged by your provider. To sum it up, Cash4Minutes might not be the goldmine it seems. The potential earnings may not be worth the effort and risks involved into it. So think twice before you decide to give it a shot. If you found this review helpful or have any thoughts on Cash4Minutes, drop a comment down below. As I said there would be a bonus at the end of this video. So if you go and visit second link from the description, which is known as the Stasho method. Okay, this is the book written by me, How to Start and Supplement Business Through Online. So it's very interesting. If you are really interested to start a supplement business, then this would be very helpful for me. And I'm selling it for just $1. Okay, So actual price is around $37, but I'm only giving it for $1, and it's really worthful if you're really interested to grab this opportunity. And if you're from India, then you can directly get it for 11 rupees. So in this ebook, I'm clearly showing people how to start their dietary supplement business from their home. All right, so just few steps are involved. You can move along with those steps and start your supplement business right away. And if you're looking for a more solid and proven ways to make money online, then check out the first link in the description for my top recommendation. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, and please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.